All right, quick video here for STEM Academy Rising Juniors to help them with registration, make sure they're getting registered for all of the correct classes. So again, STEM Academy Rising Juniors. So if you're registering for your 11th grade year. So first, a reminder that the STEM curriculum website is here. It's a tab on the STEM Academy website, and it's always available to reference some of this stuff if you need it. This first diagram right here talks about kind of what you need each step of the way and things like that, but a couple of things have changed, so we just want to make sure you're all on the same page. Now, junior year in particular is very spread out, and if you look at the cohorted classes shown here on the pathways, you'll notice that there aren't many, okay? So I'm going to run through, because this junior year, I totally understand why there's some confusion, okay? So first, the reason it says English 3 here is because if you take Honors English 3, there is a STEM-only section of that. So there's a STEM section of Honors English 3. You can also take AP, okay? There is not a STEM section of AP English because of the number of students and how registration works for those, okay? So if you sign up for AP English, you do not need a STEM section. If you sign up for Honors English, you do need a STEM section, okay? Now, when we get into your social studies, it's a similar type thing. If you are finishing up your American history, so if you need American History 1 or you're already onto American History 2, there are STEM sections of those. Look for the STEM sections of American history. If you sign up for APUSH, AP US History, there is not a STEM section, and so you'll just sign up for APUSH. And you're probably realizing AP classes we don't do STEM sections of, okay? The next one is science. Now, you should have already had biology your freshman year and chemistry your sophomore year, STEM sections of both. If you haven't done one of those, do that for sure, okay? Otherwise, you'll sign up for, I would suggest APES, AP Environmental Science, and there will not be a STEM section, but that will cover your graduation requirements then. If you don't want AP, you can sign up for Honors Earth Science, and there's no STEM section of that either, okay? And then finally, your STEM pathway, you should have started one of these by now. If you have not, make sure you are getting one of these going, okay? But the goal should be to sign up and get most of your STEM pathway done. And if you need one more class your senior year, that's fine. But there's the science pathway. A reminder, AP Environmental Science, like I just mentioned, it's a graduation requirement. It does not count for one of the options for your STEM pathways. You need to finish 3 classes in one of these pathways. So you have the AP Physics, AP Chem, AP Bio, Forensics, Astronomy, Anatomy, Physiology, really any other science course counts, okay? Because we've got some new ones that come out every year. Any science course counts as long as it's not Bio, Chem, or Earth Science, or AP Environmental Science. All the rest count. Sustainable Agriculture is a new one that we have, which looks really cool, so I would definitely check that out. We've got a couple technology ones. Those I think are pretty self-explanatory. Again, just 3 courses total needed for those. Engineering drafting is what's listed. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get an engineering drafting teacher again. We had one, and now she's moved on to a different school. So if it's architectural drafting, if that's what you're interested in is drafting, by all means, that totally works. You can do architectural drafting instead. That's fine. And then the math one's pretty self-explanatory also. So hopefully that shows you exactly what it is you need to be signing up for. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, sbarry, B-A-R-R-Y, @wcpss.net. Thanks.